We should tell them.
We should tell them what?
About our house. Yeah, we're homeless now.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Looking good.
Thanks, babe. Like 10 out of 10?
Yeah, you got like a little like 2000s style going on.
Oh, yeah?
Little bangs. Spike up. Ah! Have you seen it? Have you seen your hair?
Wow. Wait, hang on. Let me just... There we go.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video. Today is just another vlog with Will and I. Stay tuned for all of the adventures.
Finish it off.
So my latte definitely didn't work. I'm not doing something right. Not doing multiple things right, I guess, but it did turn out so nice. I just used whole milk, double cream, and a little bit of sugar, and I frothed it together.
How does it taste?
Let's see, taste test. It's very milky. It's good, but it's very milky. Just made a slice of jam and butter on Linda's butter and jam on Linda's homemade sourdough bread. Oh.
Okay, but I'm not Linda.
So, with my Lyme's disease, I often wake up in the morning with body pain in my back or my neck. So something I've been trying to do when I have the time is yoga stretches, just to loosen up my muscles. And no, why is that face for? Do yoga stretches. I definitely don't get around to doing this every day, but today one of my days off with Will, so I have time, so I'm just going to do that really quickly. It just makes my body feel so much better. So if you have a lot of pain or tension or tightness just from stress or anything, I just do this 10-minute video and it helps a lot. I'll show you which one it is. So this is the one I do by Yoga with Cassandra. She has lots of videos, so yes. Oh, I put the mat out, rolled up the carpet, and we're gonna do some yoga. Some of the flowers I got. They look so pretty.
course.
So
Shout out to those
he's
loyal
here.
fans. You know who you are.
Actually want Will to come in this part because he's gonna
By popular
update-
demand.
He's gonna popular demand 1 and then 2 update you about our apartment situation. A couple videos ago I told you guys about an apartment we found in Bournemouth and that it wasn't for certain and you know a lot of work and blah blah, and we were excited, but we have an update for you. We found out on my birthday this past week.
Yeah, we found out that, so basically because it's like a flat in like a bigger building, you have to pay like certain fees and such, and the estate agent told us the fees were like a certain amount, but the actual amount they were was like 3 or 4 times that. Which means we can't afford it.
No.
So that was a bummer.
The fees are way too much for what it is. So it's not even just like, it's just like unrealistic for probably a lot of people.
Yeah, and it probably wouldn't be a wise. I mean, like even if like budget wise we could do it, it probably wouldn't be a wise choice.
And the fees can change every year technically. They're
Yeah.
allowed to change.
And they've
so-
doubled in the past 2 years. So
They told us the pre-doubled rate.
well, the
Right.
estate agents were like pretty mad because they've been misrepresenting it, which isn't a good move. But luckily we didn't spend anything on it. We hadn't hired any solicitors or anything yet, so no harm, no foul. Apart from we really liked the place,
And we like kind of had our hearts set on
and
it.
we had our
We
hearts in
started
it.
like it's like you start to visualize your life there.
And now, of course, every other flat we look at looks like crap. So
Yeah. So we've looked at some places online.
to be fair, there are like 3 or 4.
Yeah, we
that
just
we
have to go
like.
down and look in person hopefully
Yeah.
next weekend. But yeah, so currently we don't have anywhere lined up to live. So
So we could be at, so we call my parents' house Hooper HQ,
Hooper HQ.
because that's my last name, their last name. So we could be at Hooper HQ for a while.
We're probably
but
gonna be
yeah.
here a while anyways, but it's just unfortunate. But it's okay. We were pretty bummed about it, but I think today we're feeling okay about it.
And yeah, it was quite amusing when we, or like the day after we found out the news, I was, because I'm a youth pastor at the church, and I was writing a talk about how the Lord provides. So it was quite a timely reminder that, of course, the Lord will provide us a wonderful place to live.
Yeah. I mean, and who knows? So I really wanted to get a dog, golden retriever.
Annabelle really wants a dog.
And I really would like cats, but Will's like deathly allergic. But
And don't get me wrong, I like dogs.
but anyways, but at this apartment that we thought we were getting,
We couldn't have pets.
because
Well, we probably could have had a goldfish.
it's like, you know, big apartment building, and you don't like have your own like private backyard or anything like that. Anyways, but maybe we'll find somewhere we can get a dog. Who knows?
Yeah, and maybe we'll find somewhere with like a backyard, because we'd probably prefer somewhere with outside space if we were going to have a dog.
Yeah.
But that's the tea.
That's the lockdown news of the week.
Yes, that's the tea.
That's the tea.
If you pray that we find somewhere banging.
No, but we believe that Jesus will bless us with somewhere that's even better than where we thought we were going to be. And yeah, we have
Hope so.
high hopes. But what are we going to do the rest of our day, babe?
I've just sorted out my fantasy football team for this upcoming week. Forgot to take out De Bruyne last week.
It's Friday.
If you know, you know. Yeah, Friday, first day of the weekend. So we're gonna go to Waitrose, probably, or maybe Morrison's, which is
things.
like a supermarket, buy some food,
Because we're doing dinner
because we're making dinner
tonight.
tonight.
It's gonna be good.
And then
For the Hoopers, all the
for the
Hoopers.
Hoopers. And then I need to ship a package.
Are we going to go on a walk
Oh, yes, we're probably going to walk.
to see our horsies? A pretty chill day. I'll take you along with us.
Chill vibes. Chill vibes all around, right, babe?
Mm-hmm. Love you guys. Talk soon. On that walk. Oh, expose. It's a beautiful day. It's actually not raining right now.
It's going to later, I think.
So we're gonna go. Apparently it's supposed to snow tomorrow as well.
We hope. Ooh,
Crossing
car.
the street.
Yeah, it's going to snow tomorrow. Annabelle will put in a picture of the snowman. Last time.
From last week.
Yeah.
He's our horsey friend.
Okay.
Hi. How are you? Hi. What are you guys doing? What are you guys?
Let me
Hi,
check.
horsey.
Yeah, no, different.
Hi.
I think.
Hi. This is our horse friend.
What's his name? Should we call him Albert?
Prince Albert. Yes, Prince Albert. Is it because he's in red we want to call him Albert? I don't know.
What is red?
We've pet him before, but only if he comes closer, which because we don't want to force it.
Yeah,
He
we
seems
need
be
him to
little-
instigate.
He seems to be a little bit further back today.
Electric fence.
So we're just hanging out with him.
Hey boy, bye
I think
Albert.
that one's asleep. Chill.
No, man does not skip neck day.
Back. Okay, bye.
Me.
Do you enjoy a daily walk, Will?
Loving it, babe. I'm exercising my full freedoms, my full lockdown freedoms right now.
Daily walk.
And I'm living the freaking dream. And later, we're gonna go and buy some food, which is another freedom we have.
Groceries for dinner. It's like the one other thing we can do that's outside of the house. This is what I mean by a freaking muddy walk. This is actually getting better, but look at this mud.
Yeah,
Mud,
it is
mud.
getting better. Better.
Better. It was worse though.
Yeah, take our word for it.
And now we're in the middle of the forest, or are we? Then there's the road right there.
Then you walk up there, back to Hooper HQ.
All right, Chef Will, are you marinating the salmon?
Yes,
Okay.
salmon's marinating in olive oil, soy sauce, garlic, honey, fresh thyme,
Hannah.
and fresh rosemary, and then salt and pepper as well. Oh, don't let the air out.
That's good. Oh, sorry.
Goodness me.
Sorry.
And then Chef Will also peeled some potatoes that are boiling over
Yes,
there.
let's see. Got our potatoes in here.
Ooh.
Very good.
And then
Oh, if I can get back on.
we have some onions sauteing.
Then we're gonna do
Give it a
kale, onion, mashed potatoes, right?
They'll be like caramelized onions, hopefully. Be lovely.
And then green beans. Okay, what are we drinking? Everybody.
I'm drinking Stella Artois, French finest.
And I'm trying rosé. It's really good. Love it. Linda, what do we have?
Having a Bombay Sapphire Lava Stoke with ginger and tonic.
Very good. Very fancy. Things are coming together for our dinner. I just got sprayed in the face with oil from our salmon. Sometimes you gotta take battle wounds for the food. This is cooking the salmon.
Couple more pieces already cooked.
We already finished sauteing the kale. Oh my gosh, onion, mashed potatoes. It looks so freaking good. And we'll cook these. Should I start these now? Yeah. Oh yeah. On it. It's gonna be so good. Got little lemon wedges cut up ready. So what did you think of dinner?
Banging.
Mm,
Probably give it like 8 out of 10. No, maybe 8.5.
that's it.
I mean, it was
I
good.
would give you like 10 out of 10. I thought it was really good.
Yeah, there wasn't any of it I didn't like. Good point.
I just tried these gluten-free coffee cakes and I just had one. And I like it and I don't like it at the same time. I guess
What do you like about
I was
it?
expecting, what do I like about it? The icing. I was
What,
expecting
there's
like
sugar?
US coffee cake, which is like vanilla, brown sugar, like cinnamon, like white cake mixture, where this is like, well, it's different. It says coffee cake, but it's coffee flavored cake, which is different than like vanilla and cinnamon and brown sugar.
Oh, you thought it'd be like
swirl.
a vanilla cake. But I thought coffee cake is like cake that tastes like coffee.
Well, here it is, not in the US.
Okay.
Coffee cake in the US doesn't actually taste like coffee at all. But it's really good.
Who makes them?
Yeah.
We have gluten-free flour.
I've never made it from scratch.
We'll find an American recipe.
I bet it'd be really good. So I think I'm gonna save this other piece. So I just went on Amazon and bought some leggings in like a brown color, a taupe, and then black just because I needed new black ones. Really wanted some brown leggings and kind of like taupey leggings for outfits like this. I'll insert some pictures of outfit inspirations I have, especially because we're in lockdown and I just want to be comfy and cozy, but I want to show you them really quickly. The ones that I got. They're literally arriving tomorrow. Love Prime. So these are the taupey colored ones I got. I'm hoping that they look taupe in person and not too gray. Then I got these as my brown ones. I love them. I think those look so nice. And then I just got these for my black ones. They have a nice little like detailing on the leg, which I thought was really cute. So Linda and I just finished The Queen's Gambit, which was this amazing show we've been watching. We just watched it till midnight, so I'm gonna take my makeup off and get ready to go to bed. I'll show you my skincare really quickly. This serum and I put this all over my face. I just do one pump, rub that in. It smells so freaking good. Then I just do moisturizer again, rub that all in everywhere. Take an eye cream, good for under eyes, on your ring finger you use to apply it, but your under eyes are the barely any thinnest skin, and so it needs just a little extra love and care. So take my ring fingers and I rub that in on there, some chapstick on, love chapstick. We hope you enjoyed the video, and anything you want to say? Final words, Will?
Sleep tight.
We'll see you soon. Like and subscribe. We love you guys. Bye.